Namaste to all GVNs. Myself GVN Dr. Khushbu Verma from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about lipids and its classification. So, what is lipid? So, lipid is one of the biomolecules which is required for the cell formation, and there are various types of lipids which is present in the nature. And First of all, I will introduce you about lipids. So, any number of a large and diverse groups of oil, fat, and fat-like substances that occur in living organisms and characteristically are soluble in the organic solvents, but only sparingly soluble in the aqueous solvents. Lipids are not polymers, but mostly small molecules. Lipids are not polymers but mostly small molecules, chief cellular storage form of energy, role in cellular structure and biochemical functions. What are the biological importance of fat soluble vitamins? So, fat are soluble vitamins and essential fatty acids contained in the fat of natural foods, stored in adipose tissues, thermal insulator in the subcutaneous tissues and around certain organs. Myelinization, which is electrical illustrator, allowing rapid propagation of depolarization wave along myelinated nerves. Lipoproteins, which are combination of lipid and protein, important cellular constituents and occurring both in the cell membrane and mitochondria. Means of transporting lipids in the blood, and obesity, diabetes, mellitus, and atherosclerosis, and role of various polyunsaturated fatty acids in nutrition and health. Lipids are majorly present in the lipid bilayer of plasma membrane. Here we can see two layers of the lipid molecules in the plasma membrane. Now come to the classification. So three types of lipids are present: simple lipid, complex lipid, and precursor and derived lipids. About the simple lipids, esters of fatty acids with various alcohols, fats like esters of fatty acids with glycerol, oils are fat in the liquid stage. Waxes, so esters of fatty acids with higher molecular weight, monohydric alcohols. Now come to the fatty acids. So simplest form of lipids, carboxylic acid with acid side chain, usually contains an even number of carbon atoms, 14C to 20C. Biosynthesis of fatty acid occurs with sequential addition of two carbon atoms. Chain may be saturated or unsaturated. It occurs mainly in esterified form, and fat of animal origin are more simple than that of plant origin. Palmitic acid and stearic acid, which is most common. And what is the about the nomenclature? So named after corresponding hydrocarbons, OIC being substituted for the final E, and saturated acids and in anionic. Example: autoanic acid and unsaturated acids with double bond and in ionics. Numbered from the carboxyl carbon means carbon number 1 it will be counted, and terminal methyl carbon is known as omega and N carbon. This is the diagrammatically representation of simple lipids. Here is the glycerol, mono acyl glycerol here is present and ester bonding is forming, and this is the diacyl glycerol, this is the triacyl glycerol which is known as the fat, and this is the simplest your lipid molecule. Now come to the major saturated fatty acids. So common names are like acetic, propanoic, butyric, valeric, caproic, luric, mysteric, palmitic, and stearic. These are the major unsaturated fatty acids. Now come to the unsaturated fatty acids. So fatty acids may be further subdivided as follows, like monounsaturated, means monoethanoid or monoenic acids containing one double bond, and polyunsaturated means they are containing two or more double bonds. Ecosanoids means these compounds derived from the 20 carbon polylenoic acid fatty acids and comprise the prostanoid and leukotrienes and lipoxins, and prostanoid include prostaglandins, which is PG, and prostacyclin like PGI, and thromboxanes means TX. Now come to the essential fatty acids. So the fatty acid can't be synthesized by the body and therefore has to be supplied in the diet, like linoleic acid and linolenic acid. Arachidonic acid becomes essential precursor. Linolenic acid is not provided in the diet, and functions of EFA means membrane structure and functions, transport of cholesterol, formation of lipoproteins, prevention of fatty liver. Deficiency of EFA do the taut skin. Now come to the triacyl glycerol, also known as the triacylglyceride, main storage of the fatty acid. Esters of the trihydric alcohol, glycerol, and fatty acids phosphorylated on SN3 by glycerol kinase to give glycerol 3 phosphate and not glycerol 1 phosphate. Now come to the complex lipid. It contains groups in addition to an alcohol and a fatty acid, which is phospholipids. In addition to fatty acid, phospholipid contains an alcohol, a phosphoric acid residue, may have nitrogen containing base and other substituent. For example, glycerophospholipids, the alcohol is glycerol, and in sphingophospholipid, the alcohol is sphingosine. Second is glycolipid, lipids containing a fatty acid, sphingosine, and carbohydrate. Other complex lipids like lipids such as sulfolipids and aminolipids. Example is the lipoprotein. Here is the phospholipid structure. You can simply see that this is the glycerol having acyl residue 1, 2, 3, and they are having the phosphatide bond, and they are bind to the choline group. That's why it is known as the this is the example phosphatidyl choline, which is the example of phospholipid. Now come to the glycerophospholipid, also called phosphoglyceride, and membrane lipid in which two fatty acids are attached in ester linkage to the first and second carbon of glycerol. A highly polar or charged group is attached through a phosphodiester linkage to the third carbon. Here we can see this is the glycerol chain, and glycerophospholipid general structure. This is the head group substituent, and these are the saturated fatty acid palmitic and unsaturated fatty acid oleic acid chain. Now come to the glycerophospholipid. So glycerol is prochiral, no asymmetric carbon, but attachment of the phosphate at one end convert it into a chiral compound. Second one is various important types of glycerophospholipids like phosphatidic acid, lecithin, uh, cephalin, phosphatidyl inositol, phosphatidyl serine, plasmalogen, and cardiolipin. Now come to the phosphatidyl choline, also known as the lecithins, and present in phospholipids of the cell membrane. Cholines are the part of the neurotransmitter component of the lecithin, and dipalmitoyl lecithin is a very effective surface active agent, major constituent of the surfactant. Its absence causes the premature infants cause respiratory distress syndrome. Next one is the phosphatidyl inositol, a precursor of second messenger. Phosphatidyl inositol 4,5-bisphosphate constituent of the cell membrane phospholipid. Upon stimulation by a suitable hormone against cleaved into diglycerol and inositol triphosphate. Functions of the phospholipid. So components of the phospholipids components of the membranes are both structure and regulatory functions, absorption of the fat, transport of the lipid, cephalin causes the blood clotting. So this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. And if you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.